Assalamualaikum and welcome to the class. Today we study chapter Pakistan, our homeland, in which we learn about the making of Pakistan, that how we got independent. Pakistan came into existence on 14 August 1947. We know it very well, but it was a continuous struggle of many years. The reason for the struggle of their own state was basically were the differences between Hindus and Muslims. The British and Hindus at last had to surrender before the struggle of Muslims of India and accept the demands of the partition of India. So at last, two states emerged on map named Pakistan and India. You can see on your screens map before partition means the map. Here you can see the map of India before partition means map before 1947. After 1947, by the grace of Almighty Allah, Muslims of the India finally got a prominent place over the world map. Let me show you the map after 1947. After 1947, Muslims of subcontinent got finally a prominent place over the world map. That is no doubt a very big achievement for Muslims and our leaders. Here you can see a world map on your screens. Here we get a final place on map. Now you must have question in your mind that what is subcontinent. So let me clear it to you that a subcontinent is a smaller part of a big piece of land. People of subcontinent wanted freedom from the British rulers. Our leaders worked hard for freedom. At last, British had to leave India. Muslims protest and struggle for freedom for several times, in which most of them lost their lives as well. But the protest was continue and the struggle was not stopped. Our leaders worked so hard. Of course, it is not the result of an overnight effort, but it is the sincere and never give up struggles made by our leaders to achieve the state. Every single leader of us performed their part very beautifully in this struggle. Either they are a poet, writer, or hold any other significant place in the society, they just worked according to their talent and make us independent, proud, and confident in ourselves. That is no doubt a very big blessing for us. There were Hindus, Muslims, and people of other religions in India. Muslims wanted a separate country for themselves. Our leaders struggled for Pakistan, and British occupied India was divided into India and Pakistan. But it was in the beginning. In the beginning, Pakistan had two parts, West Pakistan and East Pakistan. Later, East Pakistan separated and became Bangladesh. So, as before independence, Muslims living there were not allowed to practice their deen in a proper way. They were not allowed to visit their holy places. Holy places are like mosque. Mosque is holy place of us, means Muslims. Muslims go there to offer prayers and worship. On the other hand, different peoples have their own holy places like church is where Christians community go for worship. Temple is Hindus holy place, and this is here it is Gurudwara, means the gateway to Guru. So these are all places of worship where people go according to their religious beliefs and offer their worships. So class, now come on page number 13, over which a map is given on which provinces and the capital city of Pakistan is marked. All you have to do on page number 14 is to trace over the borders of the map and then mark the provinces and capital city of Pakistan, then color it, and you also have to draw it in your notebook as well. So draw on your notebook separately as well. Now come on page number 15, over which the question number 1 is, what is subcontinent? A subcontinent is a smaller part of a big piece of land, as we all know it very well. Come to question number 2, that is, what did East Pakistan become when it was separated from Pakistan? As I told you during explanation that in the beginning Pakistan had two parts, East Pakistan and West Pakistan, but later on East Pakistan separated and became Bangladesh. So you can write East Pakistan separated and became Bangladesh. Question number 3 is very simple. When is Pakistan's birthday? We all know it very well. When we celebrate Independence Day, it's on 14 August. So Independence Day is the birthday of Pakistan. So you can write in your answer Pakistan's birthday is on 14 August. Simple.